Hi everyone, today we are going to be making purple cabbage kofta curry. So for that we need purple cabbage. Of course you can use green cabbage, but purple cabbage is visually appealing. That's why I'm taking this cabbage. Wash it really well. Now we are going to chop it. Make sure you thinly slice them. Then add some salt. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Then squeeze out some water. I'm using the napkin to squeeze out water as much as I could. Now in that we'll add some paneer and semolina with some spices. I have added a lot of spices in my cabbage so that it would taste delicious, because my family is not a big fan of cabbage. That's the reason I had to do it. But if you like cabbage, then you can adjust the spices according to your need. But this is what I added, and my family really loved it. So anyways, after you add all the spices, either you can fry them or you can take the appam pan to make that. I'm using appam pan because it takes less oil, and once the koftas goes in the gravy, you are not going to tell if it's fried or not. So this is the version I choose, less oil one. Now let's make a paste. Let's make a paste with tomatoes, cashews and some coriander leaves. Now take a pan, add some khada masala with some jeera. Once jeera turn brown, then add our tomato paste, close the lid. Now make another paste of yogurt with some spices inside. I'm using 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour so that everything gets combined. Okay, so now in our sabji we'll add some ginger garlic chili paste and again cook it. Now once it's cooked, then we'll add our yogurt mixture. Stir it really well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then add our spices. I'm using some chicken masala and some salt. Now once everything starts boiling, then we'll add some water so that our gravy is semi-thin. Now at the end, add our koftas and cook it for 2 minutes. Once they are done, you can garnish it with coriander leaves and some garam masala. And the good thing about these koftas are that they would hold its shape. It wouldn't start melting in the gravy. So even though you eat it next day, the kofta will remain its shape. So that's the good thing about this kofta. So I hope you like my recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye. And again, the recipe is in the description box below. Okay, so do check it out over there. Thanks for watching. Bye.